Hello everyone, 你好，大家好。Welcome back to Chinese Classroom. I am 王老师。This is the third video for learning Chinese through Bible verses. In this lesson, you will learn how to say believe in Jesus and also learn 3 reasons to believe in Jesus. Without further ado, let's get started. 信 Fourth tone, the tone goes down. 信 to believe. The X pinyin pronounced just like English letter C. So C, 信 C, 信 to believe. Before we learn how to say I believe in Jesus, let's review how to say Jesus loves me, which that we learned in our first video. 耶稣爱我，耶稣 Jesus, I love 我 me, 耶稣爱我。How do we respond to Jesus' love? Do you want to take a leap of faith and trust Him and believe in Him? How do we say I believe in Jesus? Jesus, 耶稣 信 believe. Let's try to put them all together. 我信耶稣，我信耶稣，我 I 信 to believe 耶稣 Jesus 我信耶稣。And why you believe in Jesus? 因为 because 因为 because 耶稣爱我。因为耶稣爱我 because Jesus loves me. Can we say all this together? 我信耶稣，因为耶稣爱我。So that is the first reason. Next, let's learn the second reason. How do you say I believe in Jesus? Remember? 我信耶稣，很好。我信耶稣，因为 the second reason, 耶稣是神，耶稣 Jesus 是 is 神 God， 因为耶稣是神 because Jesus is God. That's the second reason. Can we say the second reason together? 我信耶稣。因为耶稣是神 I believe in Jesus because Jesus is God. Let's learn the third reason. 我信耶稣 I believe in Jesus. 我信耶稣 How do you say because? 因为很好，因为神是爱。神 God 是 is I love 神是爱 God is love 因为神是爱 Can we say the third reason all together? 我信耶稣因为神是爱 I believe in Jesus because God is love. Now, let's say the 3 reasons all together. 我信耶稣，因为耶稣爱我。我信耶稣，因为耶稣是神。我信耶稣，因为神是爱。非常好。非常好。A question for your faith. Before we learn the question, let's look at the statement. 你信耶稣，你 you 信 believe 耶稣 Jesus. 你信耶稣 you believe in Jesus. How do you make this sentence into a question? In Chinese, you just add ma in the end of a sentence, it becomes a yes or no Question. 你信耶稣吗？ Do you believe in Jesus? 你信耶稣吗？ People may ask you with this question, 你信耶稣吗？ Do you believe in Jesus? How do you respond to this question? 我信耶稣。我信耶稣。I believe in Jesus. And you may also want to ask this question to your friends. 你信耶稣吗？ And you may want to explain the 3 reasons to believe in Jesus. Remember what the 3 reasons we just learned from this lesson? Let's review. How do you say I believe in Jesus? 我信耶稣。Because 因为 the first reason, 耶稣爱我 Jesus loves me. The second reason, 耶稣是神 Jesus is God. How about the third reason? Remember? 神是爱 God is love. Now, let's practice how to say your faith in Chinese. 我信耶稣，因为耶稣爱我。我信耶稣，因为耶稣是神。我信耶稣，因为神是爱。Can you talk about your faith and the reason why you believe in Jesus? 很好，很好。Let's learn the character for the lesson. Do you know what character we are going to learn? 信，信，信 to believe. The radical for 信 this part means person, people. The other parts for this character means words you said. So a person honors the word he or she said. People will trust the person. People will have faith in that person. People will believe in that person. So that's the 信 Chinese character come about. 信，信。Before we finish today's lesson, I have a question for you. Which character is to believe? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Do you know the answer? The answer is in the comment below. You may want to check it out and see if you got it correct. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy learning Chinese with me. And always remember, 耶稣爱你, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. 下次见，再见。